Managing apps and controlling device usage is essential for maintaining a secure and focused classroom environment. With BenQ Device Management System (DMS), administrator can easily create device policies, manage App Whitelist, and enable or disable applications remotely across multiple BenQ boards. Let us see how it works. First, log into the BenQ Device Management System dashboard using your administrator account. Once logged in, you will see all connected BenQ boards across your organization. To manage app access, go to the device policy section. This feature allows administrator to control which apps can run on the BenQ board. To ensure only approved applications are used, administrator can create a whitelist. Simply add the apps you want to allow. For instance, EasyWrite, BenQ iPrep, Browser or File Manager, and other downloadable applications from BenQ Store. Once the whitelist is applied, only these selected apps will be accessible on the board. Administrator can also create a block list of applications to manage which applications should not get installed or available on devices for use. This helps standardize the software used across classrooms. If certain application needed to be restricted, administrator can easily enable or disable apps directly from dashboard. This allows school to prevent distraction and maintain a focused learning environment. After configuring the policy, simply select the devices and apply the settings. The change will automatically update on the selected BenQ boards. With BenQ Device Policy Management, administrator can easily control applications, enhance device security, and maintain a consistent classroom experience across all BenQ devices.